We are here in the middle of Los Angeles, California, an undisclosed location. We got a couple friends here, and there's a crazy unveiling that we're about to see. First box of the day.
There we go. Time to find out what's inside the mysterious box.
What is in here?
What are we looking at?
I think it's wheels.
Good question.
I think I got wheels.
Scaffolding. You guys thought it would be cooler than that.
Rear wheels right here. We got the front wheels right there. Look at the size difference. So the car is currently in there. We're about to take this box apart. A little hint of what that car is. But yeah, it should be exciting. The man, the myth, the legend, Shmi 150 doing his thing. I cannot wait for this to be unboxed. It is insane.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh. Wow. That is crazy.
Look at this thing.
That is...
This thing is absolutely insane. I cannot wait to hear this thing. Holy shit, this is insane. The wing is so big. I don't know if you guys can tell the proportions, but this is insane. Oh, hi, Shmi. This is crazy. We have a Zonda Revolution and Shmi 150. This is insane. The whole friend group is taking a look at the car. I can't wait for the startup. Hopefully we get a startup today. This is insane. Look at the carbon fiber they're wiping down. The weave is crazy. You guys should be able to tell. It's pretty clear. Uh-oh. We're getting startup instructions.
Car was just run
For the Zonda Revo.
We're good to go.
We're good to go. Oh shit. Yeah.
Do it.
This thing is so loud we can barely hear ourselves. Here we have Shmi 150 trying to get into Zonda Revolution to rev it. Let's see how it goes.
One time.
One time. Shmi 150 is in the car right now. Let's see how it goes.
NANI?!
Oh! Flame! So here we have the Zonda Revolution and Shmi 150.
How's it going? How you doing?
Pretty good, how are you?
This is an epic day, isn't it?
Yeah.
How often do you see a Zonda Revolution being unboxed from a crate that's come around the world from Japan and then heard it and watched flames out the back?
Not very often. This is
So
a
cool.
once in a lifetime opportunity, I'm pretty sure. So
Absolutely
I'm glad it
mega.
went well.
And do you know what? For me as well, extra personal thing is that I filmed this car 8 years ago.
Oh,
and to see it here now is like, it's just amazing.
U.S. soil, huh?
Yeah, it's so cool. It was at the Geneva Motor Show. It was revealed at the Geneva Motor Show back then. You know, it's one of only 5 in the world. It's blue carbon. It's like, it's perfect. Absolutely perfect.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much.
No worries, pleasure.